I'm just going to run through the creation of an expense like this one here that gets recharged out to a landlord. So this is specifically for agents who are using PaTMa and have the specific agent settings and agent features turned on. And this screen currently is looking at my demo account and the landlord statement for this particular landlord. And you can see there's already an expense here, but I'm just going to create one a bit more recently to show how that works. So if we go across to expenses and we add a new expense for a property, and the property in this case is going to be Kensington, which I know is one that owned by the relevant landlord. The invoice date, we'll say, was last week, and this one's also paid, and we'll say the amount was, I don't know, £100, and it was actually for a gas. We can put some extra details if we want to, but we don't have to. Upload a document if we want to, but we don't have to. Importantly, we have to make sure this tick box is checked, recharge to landlord. And if we save that, we go back to here. Then if we navigate back to our landlords and back to our demo user landlord, their account, we can see that expense now shows up as an entry here. And if we just say, if we restrict things just to the current year, so that will actually include February. So we can now do that. Expense is still showing up there. And then we can download this as a PDF. There are a number of different templates available. But if I just click, I don't know, I'll just click the top one for the moment and then open that for you. You can see that expense for our gas check has been included as an expense there, which has been charged against the other income for the landlord.